Yeah.
And a final question is if we are allowed to sing psalms, but take into account they can include some holy name.
Mm-hmm. So there is a the thing about a very famous question, and an important question if you're allowed to listen to the music, period. Right? So especially when some people think it's if it's a Jewish music, whatever they call Jewish music, so maybe it's a little more lenient. These people, many songs, what they do, they take one line from prayers or one line from psalms, and they sing it over and over, two lines, and some say it's the desecration of the Holy Torah. You understand? Maybe it sounds very good and you want to dance, but it's not very proper thing to do, right? And if let's say if during the prayers, let's say it's Friday night and you sing the psalms, there is no problem, you enjoy. So you say Hashem's name as it is. But if you, let's say you want to sing the psalm, if you sing like the whole verse, you can pronounce Hashem's name. There is no problem. There is no problem, and it's many of our poskim say it's actually proper to do that. Of course, if you in a proper place and stuff like that. But if you, for some reason you don't want, so you just say Hashem. That's it. There is no problem. You say Hashem.
In this particular case, I'm talking about Psalm 91,
Okay.
which contains name Most High. How would be with the key this name? Because El is Kel is Elohim, but Most High, how would be with the key?
So you say Kel.
Oh, okay.
So we change the first letter, yeah. So I mean, everybody understand what you're trying to say, but it does not sound correct. I mean, it's not sound like this name, and in some sense it does sound as that name.